All right, it's Tractor Tuesday, and we're gonna get out here with the this tractor. We rented this tractor and gonna try to pull some stumps out and do some messing around. So here we're gonna get to it. Okay, here's what we're starting with today. We're gonna move these big logs, or at least pick them up and chainsaw them up a little bit more and get them out of the way, and then we're gonna try to pull out these stumps over here that are in the zone where we're gonna put the pad. Okay, about 30 minutes after we got started, got this son of a bitch stuck in the mud. I mean to tell you, it's a fucking mud pit out here. I had no idea it was this muddy. It just rained last weekend. I didn't figure it'd be this fucking bad, but oh yeah, the mud here is just ridiculous. So we're trying to get this fucking thing unstuck. I think we're getting pretty close.
Dude, I almost shit my pants because I thought you were going to get stuck there again. And I was like, oh, please, no. Fuck, no.
Yep, that's how we do it. So we spent about 30 minutes hauling wood out of the way and about 2.5, 3 hours getting that son of a bitch unstuck. So I think we're going to try to get to maybe do something in a different area or something. We'll see. Well, it's day 2 now. We got most of the stumps removed, but a goddamn sneak attack rainstorm whooped up on us. So now this sumbitch is a little bit stuck, but we've been watching some videos about badasses who operate heavy equipment, so we're gonna try to use some of their techniques and get the fuck out of here.